Hey, what's going on? Hope you're doing well. Today I wanted to give a rundown on this particular channel, which is an interesting channel because as you can see, we haven't uploaded in a very long time and going back about 90 days, we haven't uploaded on this channel and we actually just started this channel just to see what we can actually do with this, but only like 2 or 3 videos are actually getting most of the views on this channel. We will start to actually upload more content on this channel because these particular videos tend to work on this channel, and it was in the beginning stage was like an experimental channel. Okay, so you can see it made $298 within the last 28 days. Okay, which isn't a lot of money if I actually compare this channel to my other channel. This channel, as you can see, isn't making much, but I'm not actually investing any money on this particular channel, right? It's all organic views. I'm actually getting month after month after month, and pretty much the RPM on this channel is close to about $8 to $9, give or take, and which is really awesome because what we did in the beginning stage is we actually made longer form videos on this particular channel. Okay, and those videos just keeps getting views, and we actually uploaded maybe 2 or 3 videos on this channel and continues to bring us views like month after month after month. So we haven't uploaded anything on this particular channel for about, I'd say, maybe 60 or 90 days. Okay, so imagine you start a channel and you do your daily uploads, and you just need to get like 2 or 3 videos or even 5 videos that can actually bring you consistent views, consistent subscribers, and consistent revenue on the channel. And you continue to get that month after month after month, and you can just keep replicating that. Okay, you don't need to get like millions of views on your particular on your faceless channel to make good amount of money. Like most of the time people have a goal when they actually first start to actually just make like $500 a month, and you can see I'm making that just not even uploading anything, right? Which is like $298 US. In Australia, that's close to about $500, give or take. You know, depends on the currency exchange rate that we get. But $300 can be easily like $500 Australian. And I can just keep replicating more channels like this, okay? And most of the time you don't even need to get into like saturated niche. You can get into niches that no one is actually talking about, which is awesome because most of the time people actually just get into like celebrity style of channel, top 5, top 10. They start a car channel, they start like a what we call like a sports channel, which is super saturated niche. And that's the reason people actually quit YouTube automation totally. Okay, because they get into a saturated niche. They probably got a program, they got a course from so-called guru, okay, which is actually telling them to get into this finance niche, and they're gonna be making a boatload of money, okay, which happens like maybe only like little tiny percent of people actually just get successful in that niche. Okay, but majority of the crowd, they don't make much money out of those channels, okay, which is super saturated. This niche is not that saturated, okay, and pretty much we're gonna be starting upload. Like I said, we're gonna be uploading more content on this channel because I'm focusing more on my bigger channel. But as you can see, it's $300 in last 28 days. It just blows my mind, and we haven't even uploaded that much on the video on this channel. Okay, so let me change that to 90 days. So you can see in the last 90 days we haven't uploaded anything on this channel, nothing. Okay, not a thing, and it continues to bring us, let me go on the dollar amount so I can see, continues to bring us like $10, $15, $20, $14. You know, so this cycle just continues. Like as you can see, there's drop on watch hours and stuff because we haven't uploaded. That's the reason the subscribers leaving. But if I look in the last 28 days, it's looking pretty solid. Okay, it's looking pretty solid. And now we can just replicate whatever videos are actually working on this particular channel. We can just replicate that time and time and get actually more views on this channel, which is awesome. And so that way we can get more revenue on this channel as well, right? And hope you are having some sort of success with your YouTube automation channel. Let me know in the comment section, how is your journey going with YouTube automation, and what are the struggles that you're having with your YouTube automation channel? You can leave in the comment section below. Or if you want to ask me more specific question on how I actually grow my YouTube automation channel, there's going to be a link in the description or in the comment section below. You can just click that and connect to me via Facebook. I'm really very active on Facebook, and you can actually ask me any question if you want to get your question answered regarding any specific thing. I'm more than happy to help you out. So again, thank you so much. Hope you got some value out of this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. God bless.